Salesforce Space Station.
Hi everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to create a formula field in Salesforce. A formula field is a field that is automatically calculated or populated with a value based on fields or formula, and we can create these fields both on standard and custom objects. You need to take note that this field is read-only, and any change in expression or formula will automatically update the value of the field. There are actually various return types. We have a checkbox, currency, a date, date or time, number, percent, text, and time. Now, in order for you to understand this more, let's try to create one formula field. As an example, I have here a custom student object that contains the field of student details. Initially, I have here the fields first name, last name, gender, and birth date. If you want a field that will show you the first name and last name in a single field, that's when you need to create a formula field. Now first, in order to do that, let's click the setup. Then click on the object manager. And then choose the object on which you're gonna create the formula field. For this case, I'm gonna choose student object. Click on the fields and relationships. Then click on the new button. For the data type, let's choose formula since this is a formula field. And then let's click next. Then we need to enter a field label. This will be the label displayed on the record. So for this one, I'm gonna type in student name. Then the formula return type, I will choose text. And then click on next. Let's now insert the field first name. And then click on insert. In order to create a link between two fields together, we need to use the ampersand symbol in between. After putting the ampersand, let's insert the last name and then click on insert. And in order to create a space between the fields, we can make use of two double quotes with a space in between. Let's put on two double quotes with a space in between, and let's add another ampersand symbol. Then let's check the syntax. It says here no syntax error. And then you can put in a description. This shows the student name. You can also create a help text. And then for now, let's click on next. And you need to select the profiles to which you want to grant edit access to this field via field level security. For this one, I leave this as it is and I click next and save. So let's try to refresh our record earlier. And now, here is the custom formula field that we have just created. It shows the first name and the last name. So that's how you can create a custom formula field in Salesforce.
Hey guys, please don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe to the channel if you like it. Also, please don't forget to go ahead and share this with anyone that you think might benefit from it, especially all those brand new up and coming Salesforce gurus. And as always, you can find some more episodes right here.